Is AI really a threat emerging as a result of AI advancements?
Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg has indicated that AI could soon replace mid-level software engineers. AI could function as mid-level engineer and capable of writing code. Another report based on survey conducted by Bloomberg Intelligence outcome was that any job that has a repetitive task, those are analysts, forecast that global banks may eliminate up to 200,000 positions over next
Today, if you are feeling anxious about your career and your future, you are not alone. Remember, in the history, technology has challenged human.
Hello everyone, welcome to AI Advisor. Today we are going to talk about really important topic. The topic is about our jobs and how can we prepare today so that our job is still intact. So for that, stay tuned. But before we jump up to the solution, first understand what's the problem. Advancements in artificial intelligence and automations are growing day by day, and that's leading to a substantial layoff. Recently, Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg has indicated that AI could soon replace mid-level software engineers. That he stated in a recent podcast. As per him, by 2025, AI could function as mid-level engineer and capable of writing code, potentially automating roles that currently command mid-six figures salaries. Another report based on survey conducted by Bloomberg Intelligence that input was taken from Wall Street giants like Citigroup, JP Morgan, and Goldman Sachs. And here the input outcome was any job that has a repetitive task, those are at risk. As per the industry analysts, forecast that global banks may eliminate up to 200,000 positions over next 3 to 5 years. These news are coming from US-based companies now. Why? Because US-based companies are ahead of curve because of their early adoption of AI technologies. Impact of this is going to be worldwide due to ripple effect. And every one of us will be impacted soon. Related links about these news would be added in the description box for further studies. How to prepare for the impact of AI in order to secure your career? I would say first thing as know your enemy. If you don't know your enemy, you are not going to win the battle. And for that, we need to understand AI and its application. In order to understand what is AI, there are lots of links and courses available online. I will add few in the description box to start with. Next part in understanding AI is to identify industry trends. Research how AI is being used in your field and predict potential future development. For an example, AI is going to be an industry within an IT industry. And there I will name few fields which are really emerging. One of those is prompt engineering, machine learning engineer, AI engineer, data scientist, robotics engineer. In the field of AI research and strategy roles, there are roles like AI research scientist, AI ethicist, AI product manager. In the field of data and analytics, like data engineer, big data analyst, and you name it, there are a lot of other roles. Their roles are also available in business and support roles, like AI consultant, AI trainer, AI sales specialist. So we have a lot of roles emerging in this industry itself. Apart from IT industry, there are other industries where AI jobs are thriving, like healthcare, finance, retail, automotive, entertainment. In healthcare, AI for diagnosis, drug discovery, and patient care, it's becoming immensely helpful. In the case of finance, like fraud detection, algorithmic trading, high frequency trading, risk assessment. For these things, AI is being used in finance sector. Next one is retail. In the retail, recommendation systems are being developed using AI. Inventory management is being developed by AI. Chatbots are becoming really helpful in the retail. Next one is automotive. In the automotive, autonomous vehicles and predictive maintenance. These are the few key things are being emerging here in this market. And the last one, entertainment. AI-powered content recommendation, video game development, and generative AI is really thriving to make AI cartoons or AI-generated 3D films. After understanding AI and its application, what's next? The second one is upskill and reskill. What do I mean by saying upskill and reskill? I mean to say that once you have identified the trends and the field, then you can add AI skills in your armory and wherein it can complement to each other. If you're in the field of filmmaking, a generative AI can be really helpful to control different camera angles and give you the much more detailed visualization. There can be various categories for upskilling and reskilling, such as technical skills, software skills, continuous learning. And for example, in technical skills, we can learn tools, the AI tools, or programming language such as Python, machine learning, data analysis. These are the technical skills can be really useful when you are dealing with AI. But when you are dealing with the soft skills, for example, developing creativity, emotional intelligence, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills, these areas where AI lags behind right now, there we can add values and upskill ourselves to get the better job. Next one is continuous learning. Taking online courses, attend webinars, or purpose of certifications and stay current and up to date. These are really important nowadays because every day there are new developments. Third is to develop AI literacy. Familiarize yourself with AI tools relevant to your job to enhance productivity. Learn the basics of working with data, as data derives AI systems. Fourth is focus on roles complementary to AI technologies, such as AI support roles, creative and strategic roles. For example, in AI support roles, explore positions like AI trainers, ethicists, or explainers that bridge the gap between technology and human. For creativity and strategic role, focus on areas requiring creativity, innovation, and long-term strategy. Finally, fifth and last one, explore entrepreneurship opportunities. Use AI to identify gaps in the market or create innovative solutions. Tools like ChatGPT or AI-based analytics platform can help build AI-driven businesses.
Is AI really a threat? Let's look back at a few examples from the history of technology where it evolved and threatened human jobs. For example, has camera replaced painter? Answer is no and yes. No, because high-skilled painter still making good money, but the painter who has not skilled up, they are not getting the good money because camera qualities are good, cameras are producing good images, and AI is also generating good images now. So, high-skilled painter will still make money. That's where we need to focus on our upskilling. The next example is computer. Has computer replaced accountants? Answer is no, because accountants are still being used. They are using computer to do the accounting, and then they are doing faster, but then accountants are not less. We still need accountants. So the question can go on and on like, has email replaced post offices? So answer is no. Email and post offices both coexist, but the capacity and the volume that may vary. And that's what the impact AI will have in future. However, today if you are feeling anxious about your career and your future, you are not alone. Remember, in the history technology has challenged human, but we overcame again and again. We need to agile and flexible to identify trend and new opportunities so that we can reskill, we can learn, and we can grow and thrive. In upcoming videos, we will explore the new opportunities both in jobs and in entrepreneurship emerging as a result of AI advancements. That subscribe button and join the AI Advisor community today. Let us know in the comments what you're most excited to learn about, and don't forget to like and share this video with others who might find it useful. Let's explore the world of AI together. Show some love and support. Bye bye. See you. Until next time.